Now, so this concept here is what we need to grasp here. This is the point. This concept of a scientist versus this framework that you must destroy. Just cause you don't say Jesus no more, you ain't over. Just cause all everybody on your block talking about Jesus, and you the one going, I know that ain't true. You know what I'm saying? You ain't out the game. You still in the game. The mere fact that you think you need to sit there and argue with them shows us that you ain't out the game. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, fuck Jesus. Nah, nigga. Christ is my friend. You know what I'm saying? I'm Christ. You're Christ. All you have to read is the Gnostic books, and they'll tell you that.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? All you have to do is read the Gnostic books. Gnostic books is where Christianity came out of. So you need to be able to go back to where this shit came from. You know what I'm saying? See, when you have that religious motif, you think you need something outside of yourself to tap in, like a mushroom or something. Like a joint. You get what I'm saying? You don't need none of that. You know what I'm saying? That's because you have a religious motif, and that's what's real. So you get rid of that, you realize all things are in you. As above, so below, as within, so without. You get what I'm saying? This is an illusionary world. You can't tell me there's something in this illusionary world that's going to give you your reality, other than you. This illusion is built upon your dream. So there's nothing in this dream that's realer than what's in your own goddamn mind. No goddamn mushroom that's realer than what's in your own mind. In the illusion. Come on now, this is 101 occult science. You know what I'm saying? You must have skipped a day in fucking math class, fucking with that bullshit. The magical act without a physical result is not magic. A magical act without a physical result is not magic. A magical act without a physical result is not magic. Everything you do magically, everything you do ritualistically is to obtain a physical result, otherwise it fails. And it only fails not because the ritual or magic doesn't work. It only fails because you haven't convinced your own subconscious mind that it's real. Simple as that. You haven't convinced your own subconscious mind is real. The ritual, the deity, the routine, all of those things are to just appease the left side of your brain so the right side of the brain can feed the creativity, the intuition, the knowing portion of the subconscious mind. And then the reality will change. You will see what you need to see. Even if nobody else sees it, doesn't matter. No one needs to co-sign. You get what I'm saying? No one needs to co-sign with your reality. As long as you think the fire hydrant is green, then by all means, the fire hydrant is green. You get what I'm saying? As long as you live accordingly and you can deal with that reality. We're too busy trying to be logic and say, no, everybody says it's red, and that's what matters because everyone says it's red. No, that's a white religious motif, a white way of thinking, a logical human way of trying to come to terms in agreement with an illusionary world.
Yes, sir.
Over it. You get what I'm saying? That's why they'll tell you in this magic that, in fact, Bobby Hemming has told us, you're actually supposed to go a little bit insane. He's not talking about where you're standing outside trying to lick a fire hydrant. What he's talking about is people won't see it your way anymore because you are not seeing it like you're stepping out the boundary of seeing it like everyone else.